Hi everyone, it's Scott from Woodworks USA. Today we're going to be walking through my latest project. I received a Bob CNC E4 this past Christmas and haven't got to use it much, but it's because I've been waiting to build this thing and turned out pretty nice. So one of the first things I'll show you, this power strip here actually is switchable. I hadn't seen one of these before, but I found it on Amazon. So you can actually control turning things on and off with some switches. So, for example, some lights inside. Also have some fans hooked up for the bottom cabinet. I'll talk about that later. So inside, one of my main concerns was the noise put off by this thing continuously, so that's kind of why I wanted it enclosed. I've been playing around with this sound deadening material. Obviously don't have too much of it in here, but it seems to make a little bit of difference anyway. It's got some Plexiglass Windows off of Amazon as well. So you can also control the vacuum. So put in a little pancake DeWalt down here. I still need to make my dust separator project. Decided to build one this time versus just buying a dust deputy. You can also turn the router on and off from here, which is nice. Kind of nice having a remote switch. One of the first projects I'm actually gonna build once I sit down and make something is gonna be a little holder for trolleying the vacuum around. Just so far I haven't gotten to use it much other than just some samples. I've been not wanting to get the shop all dusty. A couple drawers. So I got one for the laptop here. Nice thing is the flip top laptop, but I need to get another keyboard. That way I can keep everything nice and flat. Second drawer. This will be full of bits once I get my bit collection set up. Got a little skirt for going around the vacuum trolley once I get that piece made. Put some fans in the sides. One in, one out. Basically, just didn't want to overheat the shop vac or anything like that when I'm running this thing continuously. Not sure if it's actually needed or not. Put the floor locks on to get the weight off the casters to stabilize it. I have the same setup on my workbench and they work awesome, so I just thought I'd use them again. Anyway, there you have it. Quick little run through. Let me know your comments. Let me know what else you guys think I should improve on or add to this thing. See you on the next one. Thanks.